Hi, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can import something from another project to our project. This project you can see that we have an OBJ button, an OBJ IAP and an extension for IAP. In a purchase we have a room here and we have a sprite here. So let's see how we can add it to our another project that doesn't have that button. So let's learn how we can do that. Without any further ado, let's begin. So in here, the first thought is that right click and go to Open in Explorer and copy all of these to your new project, but it won't work. Why? I don't know, because maybe in some of these files they put the project name in there, or there is an ID for every project that you create with your game maker. So there is an option to do that. We have this project that we call it IAP, and we have this project that we call it add mob. So we want to add this object and this button and this Google Play billing extension and this SPR button to our new project. Let's see how we can do that. If you go to tools, go to create local package. In here you can select whatever you want to add to another project. First you should create this local package. So we need this extension, so we add it. We need these two objects, we add it, and we need this sprite as well. So before we hit OK, we should choose a display name for here. I want to say IAP local package, and after that you should set a package ID. I want to set it as this. And in every project that I want to use IAP, I can just import this local package to that new project and it will work fine. So after you set the display name and package ID, you can hit OK, and it says where do you want to save it. Let's just save it in here and open it in Explorer, and you can see it give us this file. So let's go to our new project that is here called add mob, and we want to add all of these objects and a sprite. So we go to tools, import local package, and we select the one that we created before, hit OK, and it says which one do you want to add. I want to add this, I want to add this object as well and this sprite as well. So when you add it, you can see that you have the object, you have the extension, and you have the sprite for that project. An easy way to add IAP to your project. Go to room and add this object IAP to your room and it works fine. That's all you need to do. Thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.